Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best hand pallet trucks that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Crown PTH Heavy Duty Pallet. There is no best-selling pallet in the market compared to this Crown product. It is designed for all the heavy-duty jobs and has a high performance. Typically, it can hold a weight capacity of 5,000 pounds. Therefore, when it comes to heavy jobs, you can trust and rely on it. The jacks are unparalleled and the angle of steering is 200 degrees. Crown has built its name in producing the best pallet and considered as the popular company. The material used to manufacture the product are durable and can sustain rough use. The caster wheels are designed to allow you easy mobility of the load. Just like the other pallets, it has a length of 48 inches. Buy this item and enjoy the free and soft movement of this product. At number 4. Vestal PM5748S. This is another pallet that many people have discussed as the best in this category. It is built and designed using durable material to last long. It has a length of 61 inches and a height of 48 inches. The machine has a load release to prevent your load from banging on the ground. Additionally, it has a weight capacity of 5,500 pounds. Therefore, you rely on it when it comes to heavy jobs. The handle is designed with shock absorbance for easy performance. This is a product you should consider having on your next shopping. At number 3. Virgo S5500L Industrial Heavy Duty Pallet Jack Truck. Virgo S5500L Industrial Pallet Truck Jack features 27 inches W by 48 inches L reinforced forks for moving heavy loads up to 5,500 pounds. Offers a 210-degree steering arc for easy handling. Durable steel construction with powder coat finish for long-lasting use. Sturdy polyurethane wheels for solid mobility. Entry rollers with tapered design make entering and exiting pallets easier. Oil-less bushings at key points smooths operation and extends the life of the pallet truck. This Vergo industrial pallet truck jack features an overload valve on the pump to prevent exceeding the weight limit and increasing safety. The lowering speed can be adjusted for better control. A galvanized German seal system and hydraulic pump seal kit ensures long pump lifespan. At number 2. Mighty Lift ML55. The manufacturer designed this product for heavy usage. It can hold a weight capacity of up to 6,600 pounds. You can trust it when it comes to heavy lifting. On the other hand, the length is 48 inches and has a weight of 225 pounds. The material used to manufacture the fork is durable and long-lasting. Typically, it can sustain rough usage. The wheels are sturdy and galvanized to avoid them from corrosion. The handle is designed using anti-shock features, for comfort while using. You will have a hassle-free movement when using this item. We have recommended this item for many users. You should consider having it in your home or even workplace. At number 1. Wesco 273404 This small and attractive hand pallet is the best you can buy in the market. The design will catch all your attention. When it comes to weight capacity, it can hold up to 4,000 pounds and with high performance. It is designed with a release load feature, to prevent your load from getting damaged. The length is 59 inches. That offers you a comfortable loading zone. The caster wheels are strong and will allow you easy mobility from one point to another. Many people have considered this item as the best in this category. Consider buying it and reap all the benefits it has to offer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.